Hey kids, it's Papa here. Guess what? We got some leftover brisket we're gonna play with. You know, I'm always doing these crazy leftover brisket recipes. This one's really crazy. This is a cheesesteak. A brisket cheesesteak. Okay, let's get some oil on these. And believe it or not, a little cash cow. Hit it with some water to steam it, okay? We'll get these onions pretty good, and then we'll start on the brisket. Love my made-in melting things. Okay, let's put some brisket on. This was super good brisket the other night, and I just love repurposing brisket. Cash cow here. A little water for steam. Really rehydrate it, bring it back. Watch this. Oh yeah, almost there. Now watch this. Look at those onions and brisket. Toast our buns, a couple of nice hoagie rolls. And one of my zero carb ones, because you guys know I'm on a program. Time for the cheese. American cheese. Okay, here comes the fun part. Melted in there. More cheese in there. my little bomber here.